Hola everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get these easy and fun domino nails. Let's get started. First, get your base coat. I'm using the Revlon Quick Dry base coat. And as always, I'll be leaving links in the description down below to where you can find the products I'm using. Next, paint your nails white. I'm using the Sally Hansen Insta Dry Polish in the shade White on Time. Next, add a quick dry top coat. I'm using the Revlon Quick Dry top coat. Make sure the nail is completely dry because we're going to use striping tape for the next step. Place the striping tape horizontal in the middle of your nail and leave a small gap between the striping tape and the edge of your nail, just like on a domino. If needed, cut the striping tape so there's a gap on both sides of your nail. Next, grab a black polish. I'm using the Sally Hansen Hard as Nail Polish in the shade Black Heart. Take a large dotting tool and place black dots on your nail. Follow the pattern of any domino you like. On this nail, I'm putting 4 dots above the striping tape and 3 dots below. Next, grab a clear polish. I'm using the Sally Hansen Extreme Wear Hard as Nails Invisible Polish. Paint the polish in the middle of the striping tape and grab a small rhinestone with some tweezers and place it firmly in the middle of the striping tape. And to top it all off, add a glossy top coat. And we're done! If you like this video, be sure and subscribe to my channel and let me know what other videos you'd like to see me make. I'll also link my Instagram in the description if you'd like to follow me on there as well. I'll see you on the next one. Adios!